Hello, my friends. It is Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of the She Makes Club. And I wanted to come live with you this afternoon because some great, exciting, and fun things are happening. And I just got more Erin Condren. Should be, I think, the BOGO order that I placed when they had the buy one, get one on the planner covers. But a whole bunch of new stuff is launching this week. The back to school collection, there's even some drops at Target. I'm just saying, I'm so excited. I actually stopped at Target and I was like running around trying to get some stuff for my show. And I was like, do you have it out yet? Do you have it out yet? And they were like, I don't know what you're talking about. But back to school is coming next Tuesday at my Target. So I will be watching for that as well, just because I think it'll be really fun and I want to see what's there, especially if they have undated stuff. It'll be great for the kids and the back to school type situation. So I wanted to unbox this. I wanted to talk to you about TableMate. We launched the Elite today on QVC. It is the QVC2 Big Deal, which is equivalent to the Today's Special on HSN or Today's Special Value, the TSV, on QVC, but it's for QVC Channel 2. So we launched it this afternoon. We'll be live on the actual main channel again tonight at 8 p.m. Almost, I'm not exact, but we are the first guested item up in the show at 8 p.m. Eastern Time in Down Home with David show. Now, I believe David Venable is on vacation, so Carol and Gracie will be our amazing host, and she's so sweet and wonderful. I would love for you to come watch and hang out with us. Say hi for joining in. One of the things I did with my TableMate, and I posted the video in the She Makes Club, and I believe I posted it on YouTube, and I think I even posted it on the page, but I know I posted a picture here. I'm not sure if I posted the video. I'll have to post it if I didn't. The cut file that I made, I'm going to make available for members of She Makes Club inside She Makes Club, so you can check that out at www.shemakes.club or shemakesclub.com if that gets confusing for some reason. But this is the design that I did yesterday on my Cricut. So I used glitter vinyl and I used some Cricut adhesive foil in the pink for this, and I think it turned out gorgeous. It goes great on the new top, and I'm obsessed with it. So TableMates are really great for any room of the home. I have one literally as my side assistant in my craft room. Beautiful new colors and fresh new tabletop design. There are new locking collars as well as stability corners, so it's not going to wobble over and tumble over on you. 3 angled positions and then 6 different heights. So you can really customize it for any activity, anybody, no matter how big or how small, or where they're sitting, any chair, any bedside. If you're, wheelchair or just needing that extra helper in the kitchen, I have my ice maker on one. Or if you're having like an outdoor picnic or you're camping or you're hiking, Benson uses it as a music stand because it kind of props up. You can use it like an actual music stand because of the angles and the positions. You can also use it as an art easel. And then it's great because it also has a device holder. You can see I have my iPad in here, which is actually my show controls, which is actually kind of cool too. But you can check it all out at QVC.com. I put a link in the comments, in the description, in the something here. You can also visit ByMeganElizabeth.com, and there's links to pretty much everything there as well. But I really just am so excited about these. I love TableMate, like I said. We had one that sat up next to me after my surgery in my bed, and one that was down here next to the recliner. We had a different recliner at the time, but next to my recliner. And it's just great because with no crossbars in the way, you can even fully rock and recline and have it pulled all the way up to your stomach. So no matter what you're doing, there's so much flexibility, and it's amazing. All right, so let's open up this box from Erin Condren because I want to see what's inside, and I thought you would too. And be fun to hang out today for a few minutes. Okay. Let's do it. Another issue, which is perfect. And then here are all the fun. So lots of goodies. I'm just gonna pull them all out. I didn't get that. I shouldn't say that. I did get lots, but I'd already gotten lots. So this is just like that. I was waiting for the BOGO to happen to get the covers that I wanted to get. With my order, I got a free, I'm like really excited about these, the Daily Dots. They have different little icons on them in the different colors. 6 colorful sticker sheets in each pack, and they're just great. I'm really excited about them. So it's 216 designer dots in all. That's a lot of sticker dots. Anyway, that was free with my notebook purchase. I did pick this up because I've been needing these little tabs more and more and more, I'm finding, and I'm even making my other sticky notes like tabs. So instead of that, I thought it'd be really great. Like, these were really cool because they're tabbed sticky notes with lines. So it'll be perfect for what I need. And I'll show you the notebooks, and then we'll go through my covers that are going to go on my yearly 2021-2022 Flora Planner. This says Megan Elizabeth, She Makes Her Life, and this is a notebook. This is in one of their cactus styles, and again, it's interchangeable, so I could put any of these covers on here. But I'm starting a notebook specifically for the She Makes Her Life journey that I do typically every May. We're going to be revisiting that probably in October because my husband's accident in May mixed with everything else that happened. I was in the hospital in the early part of May. It was kind of a crazy May. I don't know. It just feels like we're getting there. We're getting there. That's what it feels like. But anyway, so it's to help me with that specific thing. So I got this notebook specifically for that, and it's the productivity notebook. So it still has really great quotes. It says, the best way to get things done is to begin. And these are the productivity pages. So they're 9 notebook pages, but then they also have a like checklist side box, which is really, really, really awesome to be able to work with. And then the reverse side of the page is just full lined notebook. And then the colors change throughout. So you just get some fun pops of color to go throughout. You can see this color changes as we go. And I love that because that's what makes these fun. And then the other, I had to get the butterflies. It's gold foiled butterflies. Isn't that gorgeous? And then this one just is customized with Megan Elizabeth She Makes .club. And this is the grid notebook. So typically I get the dots. I don't think I have a grid one yet. If I do, I have it kind of in a shelf somewhere and I haven't used it. I don't think I have an Erin Condren grid one. But I have some ideas for how I want to utilize grid pages. So I grabbed this with the butterfly cover. And then for the BOGO, so that means you buy one, you get one free. And then they also, when they do their BOGO and you buy covers, you get an additional 15% off when you buy 4 or more. And then it's just this whole thing. So I made plans this BOGO to get all different colors of the flora, the different flowers, and then I'm going to switch them out throughout the year next year, which I've never done before, but these were too pretty for me to pass up. So I got every single one of them, says my name, Megan Elizabeth, and then the second line has some type of encouragement, inspiration. So you could just do like your one little word, but for me, it's these individual phrases. They're all be phrases, and not necessarily the beatitudes, but I did be gracious. And then the back is just beautiful as well. So that one says, Megan Elizabeth, be gracious. This one says, Megan Elizabeth, be persistent. And I know it's probably really hard to see, but it's down here and it says, be persistent. I'll have to do an up close picture for you. This one is in the purple, and it says, Megan Elizabeth, be strong. So the be strong and the be gracious are the same flower, but different colors. I got a moon one because I thought it was way cool. And it actually says Megan Elizabeth, and then it has bymeganelizabeth.com on it. So I like to put my web addresses on my notebooks. I just feel like, if I have the opportunity to customize something, I'm going to customize them with how it works. And this is gold foil too, so really beautiful. These are kind of mixed up. So let's jump back to the Flora ones, and then we'll go the other way. This is a blue one. Is this the same flower? No, it's not. Blue or teal, I think. That's actually teal. This is blue. Teal, and it says, be faithful. This blue with the pink says, be loving. We have be peaceful, And these can actually go on my notebooks too. So if I want my notebooks and my planners to all match and do some type of thing with that, I can put these on all of my notebooks and switch it out throughout the months or however I want to do it. And I just know that this is going to be a favorite to switch through things. And because it coordinates so perfectly for the entire, like I hated changing my colorful layers one. I was like, even though I had other colorful, bright planner covers, it was like the layers one belonged on the layers one, and I didn't change it the entire year. This, because they had so many that really go with the interior of my planner, I was like, yeah, I'm getting them all with the BOGO. This one says See Clarity, and it's purple. And then this one says Be Joyful, and this is teal with the pink flowers. And then finally, I had to get the purple eggplant color, You Are Magic, because I just love that. I think it's pretty phenomenal. So Be Magic is just awesome. All right. I think that is about it as far as what I got in this particular order. These will all go in my planner cart. The notebooks will go on my desk, of course, and in position to be used. I'm really excited for the tabs. They're going to actually go. These are great because the way Erin Condren designs these is they actually clip right into your planner or into your notebook. And so it's very handy to be able to utilize and do that. This one has the sticky strip note on the back, so it can actually go on the inside or the outer cover of a planner, and they're nice and thin, so it's not adding bulk to your notebooks or to your planners. There are peel out dashboards as well that you can kind of put in where you want them. This one just has the little sticky note to like hold it into place. So I definitely recommend putting it in the front so that as you're writing through the book, it's not giving you an uneven surface in any way. That drives me crazy. So if you're going to use that adhesive for that, that's what I would suggest. And then get ready to use these dots. I can't wait. It's very exciting to me. Anyway, I would love for you to come join us on QVC today, 8 p.m., like I said. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to talk more about the TableMate, the new features of the TableMate Elite. So it's just launched on QVC. There's 2 exclusive colors, the Spa Green and Vanilla. You'll only find at QVC, and they're just gorgeous. So definitely come check them out, and I'll see you later tonight. If you have any questions at all, you know where to find me. You can drop a comment, do hashtag replay, and I will get back to you if I can. If there are anything that like you're missing a link or whatever, just message me. We'll help you out. I hope you have a really great day. Enjoy the moments. Bye.